What are you doing?
None of your business.
Wait, are you playing with dolls?
No, they're action figures.
Whatever, you're so girly. Stop! You even hit like a girl.
Fine! You think I'm girly? I'll show you girly!
Haha, girl, she did what? Oh, you can't let him talk to you like that.
What is that?
What is what?
On your face.
It's called a face mask. Some of us care about our skin.
Can I touch it? Come on! I just want to touch! Whatever. You've changed, bro. You've changed.
Beauty like this just doesn't happen overnight, okay? La 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 la.
Hey, what are you... We're gonna be late. Stop yelling!
La 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 la.
You need me to open that for you?
Yes, please.
Fine, just toss it here.
Don't worry, I have another one. Oops, third time's a charm.
I got it, I got it.
La 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 la.
Hey, have you seen my... Hello, ladies.
What do you want?
I was just gonna see if I could hang out for a bit.
No, this is girls' night. Get out.
Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah. Look, I know I've been mean to you recently, teasing you and calling you a girly boy, but I've seen the error of my ways, and I'd never meant to hurt you. So, what do you say? One more chance?
Okay, fine. You can hang out for a bit.
Oh, yeah! Ooh! Stop it! Ah!
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Okay, bye.